Dearly beloved, it is a great joy to hear that Bishop Joseph Koforidua Diocese will be celebrating 40 years as a priest on the 17th of July 2023. And it is even a greater joy to hear that he would like to use this Jubilee celebration to raise a fund for his diocese to take care of his seminarians. I endorse it 100%. I would like to use this opportunity to encourage all our brothers and sisters, the laymen and women, to really donate and donate generously. Because anybody and everybody who becomes a priest is an asset, not only for the Diocese of Koforidua, but for the entire Holy Catholic Church. May God bless his effort, and may God give success to the work of his head, his heart, and his hands in raising the needed amount of money for the training of his seminarians. God bless Bishop Koforidua Diocese.